Okay, so state-sponsored cyber warfare. What are we really talking about? At its core, it's nation-states using cyber attacks.
Using them to achieve specific goals?
Exactly. Political goals, economic ones, even military objectives. Think of it like traditional espionage and warfare.
But just moved into the digital realm. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Podcast series.
Great to be here.
Today we're tackling a really significant and, constantly evolving threat, state-sponsored cyber warfare.
It's definitely a major topic.
We'll be digging into our sources to pull out the core ideas, what it actually is, and crucially, how we defend against it.
Looking forward to it.
And right up front, if you're thinking about how to shield your own organization in this complex landscape, maybe consider this. Get connected with Sudhakar Kakinada on LinkedIn. He's available for a quick chat on how we can help enhance your cybersecurity, really take it to the next level of robustness.
Good advice. Preparedness is key.
So our mission for this deep dive, to give you, our listener, a clear picture of this digital battlefield and the strategies needed to, protect yourself.
Okay, so state-sponsored cyber warfare. What are we really talking about? At its core, it's nation-states using cyber attacks.
Using them to achieve specific goals?
Exactly. Political goals, economic ones, even military objectives. Think of it like traditional espionage and warfare.
But just moved into the digital realm.
Precisely. The weapons are code. The battlefield is the internet. And importantly, these aren't just lone wolves.
No, these are coordinated campaigns, right, with serious resources behind them.
Serious resources.
Yeah.
State backing. That's the defining feature.
And the potential impact. I mean, it sounds like it could be enormous.
Oh, absolutely enormous. We're not just talking about, say, stealing credit card numbers here.
No, this goes way beyond that.
Way beyond. Think attacks on critical infrastructure, power grids, water supplies, disrupting essential government services, even undermining national security directly. It's a completely different scale of threat.
Okay, so what types of activities are we actually seeing? Our sources mention a few categories.
Right. While specific attacks aren't named here, the types are clear. Data theft is a big one.
Stealing what kind of data?
Highly sensitive stuff. Intellectual property, maybe giving one country an economic or tech edge, or classified government communications, military plans.
So cyber espionage, basically.
Exactly. Persistent monitoring, intelligence gathering, happening on a scale that was, frankly, unimaginable before cyberspace. Then you have disruption.
Crippling services.
Yes, things like taking down financial networks, government websites, maybe even interfering with elections. And sometimes it escalates to destructive attacks.
Destructive, you mean causing actual physical damage?
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
Attacks designed to damage or destroy computer systems, or even the physical infrastructure they control. Think Stuxnet, though we're not detailing specific cases today.
Wow. Okay, that's pretty sobering. So given all that, how do organizations, how do governments even begin to defend against adversaries this sophisticated?
It's a huge challenge, no doubt. There's no single silver bullet. It requires a layered, comprehensive defense.
Layered how? Where do you start?
Well, enhanced threat intelligence is absolutely paramount. You need to understand who these state actors are, what motivates them, what tools and techniques they favor.
So knowing your enemy.
Knowing your enemy, digitally speaking, it's about being proactive, not just waiting to get hit. Then, of course, robust security protocols and infrastructure are fundamental.
The basics, but done really well.
Exactly. Strong firewalls, up-to-date intrusion detection and prevention systems, secure configurations, regular patching. These are non-negotiable foundations.
And for organizations looking to maybe benchmark or upgrade their current setup.
That's where reaching out can help. As you mentioned, get connected with Sudhakar Kakinada on LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
A quick chat could be really valuable for enhancing that security posture, getting it to the next level.
Right. It sounds like it demands constant vigilance, constant adaptation. You can't just set it and forget it.
Absolutely not. The threat landscape changes constantly. But defense isn't just an internal thing either.
Meaning?
International cooperation.
Yeah.
Information sharing. These cyber threats, they obviously don't care about borders.
So working together is crucial.
Vital. Collaboration between nations, between public and private sectors, helps track attackers, attribute attacks, and coordinate responses much more effectively. And alongside that, you need strong incident response capabilities.
Planning for the worst, essentially.
Planning for the inevitable, unfortunately. Statistically, it's often a matter of when an organization gets hit, not if. So having a well-rehearsed plan to contain damage, eradicate the threat, and recover quickly is critical.
It's like the old saying, failing to plan is planning to fail.
Precisely. Think of it like a fire drill for a cyber attack. You practice, you prepare, hoping you never need it, but knowing that readiness can make all the difference if you do.
Okay, so wrapping this part up, the key takeaway seems to be state-sponsored cyber warfare is real, it's serious, and defending against it needs a proactive, multifaceted strategy.
That sums it up well. It's a high-stakes environment and continuous learning, continuous adaptation that's crucial for staying even, let alone ahead.
And for anyone listening who wants more tailored insights on bolstering their defenses against these kinds of sophisticated threats, again, get connected with Sudhakar Kakinada on LinkedIn. A quick chat could really help explore how to elevate your organization's cybersecurity resilience.
Definitely worth considering.
So as we finish, here's a thought to leave you with. Considering the sheer resources and the increasing sophistication of these state-sponsored attacks, what truly innovative, maybe collaborative approaches do you think will be most critical in shaping the future of cybersecurity defense?
That's the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it? It demands ongoing thought, serious discussion across industries and across borders. There's no easy answer there.
Something for us all to think about. Stay safe and stay secure.